And good morning, Way Fam, from Tel Aviv, Israel.
I'm Ashley. That was Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
As I said, we are in Tel Aviv today, and we are at Abraham Hostels. They've been kind enough to give us a room, and today, I think, we're going to the beach?
Yeah. You know, when I thought of Israel, I never thought really beach. I always thought of like
never crossed my mind.
The history and stuff. So I'm super stoked. I have no idea what to expect.
The only water I thought of in Israel was the Dead Sea and Oasis in the desert.
I'm hoping for a really nice beach and like just lay out in the sun a little bit, maybe go in the water. We'll see. But the hostel actually planned it, so we actually get to go with a bunch of people instead of just us, which is different from what we are normally used to.
Yeah, it's true. All right, breakfast was delicious. I think we are going to head out on our way.
There's about a group of 15 people, and we are all headed to the beach. We're going to walk there because it's really close to the hostel. Made it to Banana Beach. We put our tent up and we're all just gonna sit out, lay out. To be honest, it is really hot in the sunshine, but we might take you out into the water. I heard it's really warm and I'm looking forward to that.
I mean, you are at the beach after all.
Yeah, don't forget to bring your sunscreen because it is warm out here. I haven't been sunburnt yet, but this might be the day. But I'll try not to. Charge the GoPro, but we just came down to the water and
this is our one shot.
So nice. Everybody's in there.
It's amazing. I love this, and I hate beaches.
The water is refreshing. It's cool. It's clear. Like so beautiful. I did not expect this when I came here, but it's amazing. The riptide is crazy. I'm like trying to go against it right now. It's so hard. Watch this big wave.
Legitimately, the tide is quite strong.
It is so much better than the Pacific Ocean.
Oh my gosh.
It's so warm.
It's not too warm. It's like perfect warm.
Oh man, this is the life. Our beach time was amazing. We've been out here for I think 4 hours. They even have showers available for you after you're done at the beach so that you can shower down. It's just, I mean, this is probably the best beach experience we've had in a really long time.
Oh, for sure.
No one walking down the beach trying to sell you anything. You just could relax. And as well as we went with the hostel, which ended up being the best experience that it could have been, because usually Josh has to sit on the beach and watch over our stuff while I go in the water and vice versa. But we had someone from the hostel there sitting at underneath the tent taking care of all of our stuff, which just made the experience 10 times better. Plus we got to make friends, talk to people. I can't say enough good things, but we are going to go to the market now and get some lunch. I'm hoping for some delicious hummus.
hummus. There's something like it. I don't know. We've come to a place called Hummus Magen-Daven. We picked up a beach bum, actually.
What's going on?
A friend from the hostel, and he actually reads Hebrew. So Hummus Magen-Daven, it's in a place in the souk, the market here, just off the coast where Banana Beach is. We just walked inland a bit, and now we're gonna try some traditional hummus. I had no idea they made it this way. We've got hummus, olive oil, onions, some sort of spicy that looks like salsa, really, and another spicy thing that looks like salsa, and most importantly, fresh bread.
I don't know that they would consider it bread though, huh?
I don't know if it's like they would call it bread.
Pita?
You know what this is? It's just pita?
Pita.
Okay, so this is just pita here. Bread. And we're just gonna dig in and try this real quick. We've been told that this is one of the best places around, so. You know I can't fake it if I don't like something. This is really good. There's so many different flavors. I don't normally get that with hummus. Usually back home we just have hummus with olive oil and that's it.
Chickpeas and olive oil.
But this is so many different flavors into it. It's so good.
So we got some carrots here at the market. We've also picked up some fruits, some nectarines, and some plums, fresh from the market. I'm so excited to go back and bite into one of the juicy pieces of fruit. Like, it's so nice to have fresh fruits and veggies this easily available.
You're doing it like a local.
Yeah, it's so great. It's so easy. They like just took it. Everything.
I guessed them all the prices. They said it to me in Hebrew, and I just kind of gave them more than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it worked out.
All right. We are pooped little puppies. We came back to the hostel and both of us just fell asleep. And now it's almost 10 p.m.
Yeah.
And it's time to go to bed. Like we fully intended to like film more here, but man.
Yeah, it was a full day when
It was.
we have not been used to the sunshine.
No, I feel like the last 2-3
Speaking
weeks. Oh yeah, I really want to show. Okay, screw it. I'm going to show you her back.
No, you can't.
Yes. No, just roll over, roll over, roll over.
This is so inappropriate.
This is really funny.
No. Oh.
You can see her bathing suit.
Oh my gosh.
That's how burnt she got. So the sun took it out of us.
Yeah, it just sucked it out. Tomorrow though we have some fun plans, so I'm looking forward to that. But today we decided to rest the rest of the evening. Yeah.
Yeah.
So far, like, I have been super impressed with Tel Aviv.
Yeah.
Really, really enjoying
I
it.
don't know. Oh, the shadow's right on my face. I don't know what I really expected from Tel Aviv. I think I was thinking Tel Aviv was going to be like Jerusalem. And I guess there is like an old port area that's kind of just old looking. But so far, everything's just been cool. Like, even the souk was super approachable.
Yeah, people weren't like grabbing at you, trying to get you to buy their things or whatever.
Yeah.
It was just like a farmer's market almost.
Yeah, it felt like a farmer's market.
Yeah, and I also really like just am enjoying, I don't know, like the vibes, there's so much, and being at a hostel, like.
Yeah, maybe you're just
normally-
enjoying the hostel vibes.
Yeah, normally we're not at hostels, but I love that we're hanging out with people and getting to know people and making friends, and it's just fun and something different. And I can hang out and chat with someone other than Josh, which is
Hey.
just a perk, you know, something different.
So the whole day boils down to Ashley was able to talk to someone other than me.
No.
And we had a
that's
great
not it.
time.
But it was fun for both of us, my
Yeah.
friends.
And I will say about the beach, I don't recall if I said it earlier, but I'm not really a beach person, but that beach, I just really enjoyed it for some reason. I just kind of immersed myself. I laid in the sand. I went and got
Yeah.
salty in the ocean or
I think
the
that part
sea.
of it is that we've been in monsoon for the last couple weeks at least, so we haven't been able to go in the water, but we've been at places where people go in the water.
Yeah.
So it was really nice to finally be able to go in the water and actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
As well as having a beach in a city, I feel like it would get really gross and dirty, but it just was
That
not.
water
It was
looked so clean
nice.
and clear.
Yeah, even the sand didn't have trash in it or anything.
Yeah.
So
They must
yeah.
they must upkeep it pretty well, I have to imagine.
Yeah, for sure. When you come to Israel, go to the beach. It's
Yes.
amazing. We will be moving on to other places that aren't beachy.
So we go and take advantage of that.
Yeah, so we're planning on taking as much advantage of it as we can with sunburns.
She's a lobster.
So I hope I encourage you guys to get out and travel today. Definitely check out the hostel, and we have so much more to come from Israel. We cannot wait to explore ourselves and share it with you guys.
And we'll see you in the next video, but not just shalom tonight. Ashley, you want to say this last time?
Shabbat Shalom! It's
Shabbat
Friday
Shalom.
night, baby!
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.